Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine two documents into one in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. You can create a new blank design or open an existing document where you want to combine everything. For example, let's use this one. This will now be our main file where all of the pages will be placed. Next, open the other or the second Canva document that contains the pages you want to add. To make things easier, switch to Grid View so you can see all the pages clearly. While in Grid View, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, click on any specific page. That will be the page you want to combine. Once selected, press Ctrl C to copy the pages. Then go back to your main Canva design, which is this one. Then press Ctrl V. As you can see here, we have pasted the copy page from the second Canva document. And just like that, the page was automatically added. If you want to combine more documents, you can repeat the same steps. Open the next Canva design, go to Grid, select the pages, copy them, and paste them into your main file. Then, rearrange the page if needed by dragging them into the correct order. Scroll through the documents to make sure everything looks correct, and make sure everything is consistent. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.